Hello and welcome back to Agent a Day number 7. And what I have for you today is a data visualizer. So essentially what it does is you can give it any sort of query, that relies that like outputs statistics. So we have our example over here. Find me statistics for AI adoption in companies in Australia and return a chart for the last 5 years to me. So any request of that sort, this agent is able to take. And as you can see here, it uses the universal researcher tool from yesterday's TikTok trend analyzer. So it's the same concept. Since it's universal, any agent can pretty much use it for research. And we also have a Python code at the end, and the agent generates a code to create our graph. And when it's done, it returns our graph over here. So once it's finished with the graph, it creates a report for me and also sends me a link to the graph over here that I can then use. How it works is pretty simple and self-explanatory. When it first gets a query, it figures out what metrics and data points it needs to find. Then it does some research to find those statistics, and then it writes some code to go ahead and make the graph. We have a little statement here so that it has to have a return statement, including the file download URL, so that we get the graph. And then once we have that, it sends the report to my email over here, which you can put in here. So the only real setup you have to do if you want to use this agent is to change this email here to your email, and you can start using it just like that and start getting well-researched Python graphs straight into your inbox. And yeah, that is Agent a Day number 7. And I think we have just hit our one of our milestones for 200 reactions or likes. So starting tomorrow, we will be doing TikTok stuff as well. See you. Have fun.